What's being given is a person went to his friend's place and he asked him about the ages of his three children. Now, first hint he gave him was product was 36. Now, the moment product comes to your mind, keep in mind the only logic works is factorization. 1 36, 1 to 18, sequence will not affect 1 3 12, 1 4 9, 1 6 6. Look, sequence will not affect. Now, 1 is already done, 1 9 4 and everything is being done. So what we get is 2 2 1 is already done, 2 2 9, 2 3 6, 2 4 2 4. The ages will never be in points. Ages by default natural number. Now what all else we can take is 3 3 4. So you know answer has to be one of these cases. 1 36, 1 to 18, 1 3 12, product 36. Only these 8 cases are possible. But he does not know which one of these cases is the answer. Now imagine you are sitting at your friend's place. He tells you that go look at my door number. The summation of the ages is equal to the door number. Means you can have a look at the door number. Look, it's not a typical maths puzzle. It's a puzzle, logical puzzle. You were present at his home. He told you go and look at the door number. Summation is equal to door number. Now you sum up. You sum up 38, 21, 16, 14, 13, 13. What we know here is 11 and 10. He told you the summation of their ages was equal to the door number. You summed up all the possible cases and now you know, look, if the door number is 38, you can give the answer. If the door number is 38, you will come and say 1 36. If the door number is 21, 16, 14, 11 and 10, in all these cases you can give the answer. Look what is given here is, he gave the first hint, the product is 36, you know these possible cases are there. Then he tells you, go look at my door number, the summation is door number. If you see door number 38, you will say 1 36. You see door number 21, you will give this answer. 6. Now, what is given in the puzzle here, Mr. Breno still failed to get the answer. He still failed to get the answer. Now, obviously, the hint is, the only one door number that can fail you to give the answer is, this is the hint given. Or both of them are equally intelligent. Had the door number been 38, 21, 16, 14, 11 or 10, he would have given the answer. Still he failed to give the answer. Means door number compulsorily is 13. So door number has to be 13. So the case is either this is the case or this is the case. You know very well that he still failed to get the answer. Means either the door number was 13. So he knows either it's 166 or 229. Now youngest son Sam, there was a typing error earlier. Youngest son Sam is as old as his best friend Tina is. There is no use of Tina here. Sweet girl, but no use here. What all we know is youngest son. Look, when you say Pankaj Gandhi is the worst teacher in Pune, so worst teacher, there cannot be any worse than Pankaj. So when we say youngest, dumbest, smartest, cutest, tallest, superlative ones, so youngest son has to be only one person. If this is the case, we should say one of the youngest. So because youngest is being given here, look, even after looking at the summation, he failed to give the answer. We know the door number is 13. Product 36, you know one of these cases is there. The moment he said youngest son, we know very well it's 166. Had it been given eldest, so now here you have got one of the eldest. The moment had it been eldest, we would have given answer is 229. But I have given you here is youngest. The use of youngest is there has to be one person, one of the youngest. No, so the answer is 166. Product factorization, the most important clue, we factorize. One question you're giving you, I'm giving you as a homework assignment, what all you want to say. Everything same. Product 72. Product 72, everything same. You try it. Door number confused you. The door number confused you means there has to be more than one possible case which gives you same summation and the same product. So here hint was product 36, then the summation, more than one possible summation should be there.